Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Badger. As in my previous videos, I've been showing you that Badger has broken out two very big falling wedges on a 7 days time frame chart, and it also formed another rising wedge pattern on the same 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently it is once again bounced from the support of this rising wedge pattern. First, it broke out this falling wedge pattern, then broke out another falling wedge pattern. By the way, here it also formed a very big double bottom pattern as well, and formed this next falling rising wedge pattern. You can see we got rejection here by the resistance of this next rising wedge pattern. We got another rejection here, another rejection here, and here. And here we had a fake out, but the price line re-entered the same rising wedge pattern. And now recently the price line is once again bounced very well from the support of the wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Badger that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 17% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Badger that I shared a few days ago on 1st of June 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that Badger formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can see that after the completion of the final leg, the price line was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction. And once it will be re-entered the buying zone, then we can buy it within this price range. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down and re-entered the buying zone here, you can see. And then we had a very, very nice pump. And so far, it has pumped almost 17%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that previously Badger was moving inside this big falling wedge pattern. We broke it out, then got stuck inside in another wedge, then broke it out as well, and now it is moving inside in another rising wedge pattern. Recently, you can see that it was testing the support of this rising wedge pattern. At the same time, it was also testing this long-term support of $3.85 that was previously working as a resistance here, and now again it worked as a not here. It has been working as a resistance here and support here. And now you can see that it worked as a very, very nice support for the past several weeks. It is in fact working as a nice support. At the same time, we also had a very, very big bullish divergence, a hidden bullish divergence signal when the price line formed this low here. And next low, it was forming higher than the previous one. At the same time, you can see that stochastic moved more down and formed lower than previous low. And now we have also received a bull cross from this oversold zone as well. And therefore, the price line has followed this bullish divergence, a hidden bullish divergence signal, and now it is moving towards the resistance of this wedge pattern. And now if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout, if the price line will break out this wedge, then in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target for the breakout can be here. That will be approximately at $22. And the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the bed. That can be between $46 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.